Are you spending millions on brain supplements every year? Stop right now. The wellness industry doesn't want you to know the simple, hidden truth about aging. They need to sell you pills to keep their profits soaring. But your brain has a secret power that expensive solutions often fails to address correctly. The truth is, even at 80 years old, your brain still possesses an incredible, natural capacity to maintain itself and support its vital neural connections. Forget the myths about inevitable decline. That frustrating brain fog and those lost keys don't have to be your permanent reality as you get older. You might have heard about traditional brain foods, but we are going way beyond the basics today. It is time to forget the old advice. While some corporations focus on their bottom line, people in the world's blue zones are living sharp and vibrant lives well into their centenarian years. From the islands of Okinawa to the mountains of Sardinia, these secrets to cognitive longevity have been hidden in plain sight for many centuries now. Everything we will discuss today is backed by reputable scientific research. You can find all the links and citations in the description box below this video. I want to hear from you.
We've seen the data,
How old are you?
the trends,
And what brain health
projections,
challenges are you
but
facing right
behind
now?
every number is
Please
a
share
life.
your experiences in the
What is your
comments.
story?
We are about to dive into the 10 forgotten superfoods that will nourish your nervous system and support the mental clarity you thought was fading. Prepare to change your life and support your mind. Let us begin this journey toward a sharper, more vibrant, and more resilient brain, starting from today onwards. Our first warrior isn't a pill, but the humble walnut. Notice how its shape perfectly mimics the very organ it is designed to protect and nourish. Walnuts are packed with alpha-linolenic acid. These healthy fats act like a shield, supporting your delicate neurons against the effects of oxidative stress and aging. Pair them with sardines, which are rich in DHA and EPA. These specific fatty acids are the building blocks of a healthy, functioning human brain system. These nutrients are among the few that can effectively support the blood-brain barrier, delivering direct nourishment to the areas that need it the most right now. Meet Leonard. At 82, he was struggling to remember his own children's names. He felt like he was losing his grip on his very own identity. After just 3 months of incorporating these specific fats into his daily diet, the transformation was a remarkable shift for his whole family's wellness. Now he is not just remembering names, he is outsmarting his grandson at chess. His cognitive progress shows that it is never too late to start. Next, we have the vibrant world of berries. Blueberries and strawberries are not just delicious, they are powerful support for your aging brain cells and neurons. They contain anthocyanins, which act like tiny maintenance crews, supporting neural pathways and improving the communication between different parts of your brain effectively every day. Adding just one handful of these dark berries to your breakfast can significantly support your memory retention and your overall mental processing speed for the day. Research shows that the antioxidants in berries accumulate in the brain, specifically targeting the areas responsible for intelligence and long-term memory functions as we age. Leonard's breakfast became his nourishment. By combining these foods, he provided his brain with a constant supply of the fuel it needed to maintain itself and thrive. These natural compounds help manage inflammation, which is a major factor in brain cell health. By supporting a healthy inflammatory response, you allow your brain to function naturally. Nature has provided everything you need to stay sharp. You just need to know which foods to pick and how to use them effectively for health. Now we look underground to the golden spice of life, turmeric. Its active compound, curcumin, is one of the most powerful brain supporters known to science today. Curcumin has the unique ability to help manage the protein plaques that are often associated with serious memory concerns and cognitive decline in the elderly. Combine this with kale, the king of leafy greens. It is packed with vitamin K, lutein, and folate, all essential for supporting mental health as you age. Helen, aged 72, lived in a thick fog of mental exhaustion for over a decade. She felt like she was watching her life through a veil. Her secret to clarity? A simple daily habit of consuming turmeric and leafy greens. Within weeks, the heavy fog that clouded her mind finally felt lighter. She describes it as if someone finally turned the lights back on in her head. She regained the energy and focus she thought was fading. Do not forget pumpkin seeds. These tiny powerhouses are exceptionally high in magnesium, often called the relaxation mineral for a stressed out and tired brain. Magnesium helps regulate the signals between your brain and body, ensuring that your thoughts flow smoothly and your stress levels remain manageable and low every day. Helen's kitchen became her laboratory for health. She replaced processed snacks with these nutrient-dense seeds and felt the difference in her daily mental focus immediately. Think of curcumin as a golden supporter, helping clear out the metabolic waste that can affect your mental gears and your thinking process as you age. By nourishing your cells with these specific plant compounds, you are essentially supporting the longevity of your brain's biological age every single day of your life. Today, Helen is more active than people 20 years younger. Her story proves that dietary choices can have a profound impact on cognitive health and longevity. These gifts from the earth are your best defense against the passage of time. They are affordable, accessible, and incredibly effective for your aging mind. As the afternoon sun dips low, we turn to the ancient ritual of tea. Green tea is a treasure trove of brain-boosting compounds for the elderly. And for those with a sweet tooth, dark chocolate with at least 70% cacao is actually a potent ally for your mental sharpness and focus. The flavonoids in dark chocolate and the L-theanine in green tea work together to support blood flow and oxygen delivery to your brain cells effectively. Meet Walter. At 76, he struggled with afternoon crashes and a lack of focus. He felt he needed caffeine just to get through the day. He traded his heavy coffee habit for the steady, calm energy of green tea and the cognitive support of dark cacao every single afternoon at home. Unlike some stimulants or excessive caffeine, these natural sources provide a sustained level of alertness without the jitters or the energy crash later in the day. L-theanine promotes a state of relaxed alertness, allowing you to focus deeply on complex tasks without feeling overwhelmed by them in your daily life. Walter found that his ability to concentrate on his hobbies returned. He could spend hours on his woodworking with newfound precision and patience for detail. These flavonoids actually migrate to the areas of the brain that handle learning and memory, providing a direct boost to your cognitive functions and mental health. He no longer feels the mental fatigue that used to haunt his evenings. He is living proof that small swaps can lead to big cognitive changes. Remember, the higher the cacao percentage, the better the benefit. Aim for dark chocolate that is rich, bitter, and full of natural antioxidants for health. Embrace these simple pleasures. They are not just treats. They are essential tools for maintaining a sharp and vibrant mind as you age gracefully and healthily. Many people avoid fats, but did you know your brain is actually 60% fat? To stay sharp, you need to eat the right, healthy fats. Avocado is a unique fruit that provides monounsaturated fats, which help maintain healthy blood pressure and support the overall structure of your brain and nerves. And then there is olive oil, truly the liquid gold of the Mediterranean diet. It is packed with polyphenols that support your brain's communication network and pathways. These healthy fats support a process called neurogenesis. This is the incredible ability of your brain to maintain and grow neurons, even as you age. Imagine being 80 years old and still having the capacity to learn a new language or master a musical instrument with total ease and joy. The fats from olive oil and avocado act as the support for your brain's wiring, making sure every signal is sent fast and clear every time.
Oh, you are terrible.
By fueling your
It
body
looks
with these
perfect
liquid
now, though.
golds, you are providing the raw materials your brain needs to stay flexible, plastic, and vibrant through the years. Scientific studies have shown that those who consume these fats regularly have significantly better cognitive health as they get older than those who don't. Brain health is not just about memory. It is about staying connected to the world and the people you love with a sharp and active mind. Do not be afraid of the right fats. They are the essential fuel that keeps your internal system running smoothly for many more decades to come. Aging does not have to mean a loss of memory or a decline in your sharp wit. You have more control than you think today. These 10 superfoods are your keys to supporting your cognitive power. Start incorporating them into your very next meal and feel the difference in your mind. Follow the lead of Leonard, Helen, and Walter. Check the description for the full scientific breakdown and start your journey toward a better brain right now. Subscribe to Prime Years Health and join our community. Let us grow old together, staying sharp, vibrant, and clear-minded every single day. Goodbye, and see you soon.